Okay, we need to record this.
He is recording this.
Get over here.
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
No, I don't.
I want some water. We need more water.
We do actually need those water bottles. Can you hand
And
them?
the chips.
Taste chips.
I don't want your stupid potato chips.
That was a good catch. That was a good
No,
catch.
that was a prop.
We don't need potato. We're supposed to look professional. We're supposed to look professional. Okay.
Okay.
Stop. You made me spit all over my phone.
Good.
Alright, you guys ready?
Wait, you haven't started yet, have you?
No.
Do not do the action thing because I don't know how to. Okay.
We'll do it.
Oh.
Don't actually use that in the video.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta completely restart. Yeah, and then you're saying all that. Josh, quit recording.
Okay. I want to say these two parts.
I just told you. You were doing those. You